Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can connect your Facebook page to your Instagram profile. So first of all, what we will need to do is head over to Instagram, and then once we have opened up the Instagram app, we will then need to head over to our profile. So to do this, just click on your profile picture, and then once you are on your profile, we can then head over to the edit profile option, which will then bring you to this page. And then as you can see under profile information, there is an option now for page. If you click on this, what that will do is it will bring this little pop-up, and now you can obviously create a Facebook page or you can connect an existing page. So for me, I've already got a Facebook page I can connect, so I would click on connect an existing page, and then it will redirect you over to Facebook. Click on continue. And then from here, you can obviously then connect your page. So click on the one you want to connect. I will click on this one and then click on done. Once I click on done, it will take a couple of seconds just to go ahead and connect it. And then as you can see, it will then go ahead and connect that page to your Instagram profile. So it's just as simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.